Okay guys, you're welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to check your data usage on Android. How much data have you used for long, for a period of time, so for a month. You're going to search and see everything on this. So let's dive in. You go to your settings. Once you click on your settings, the next step is scroll up and okay, you click on the same and network setting, and you scroll up and you see under there you can search for data and security. And the next step you're going to see is click on data setting and data usage. And now package setup. Now if okay, don't worry, let me just take you to your data usage. This is it. This is the traffic consumption thread for this month. This is the data you have used. Here I have used 68.19 gig. Oh god, you can see that's awesome. MTN is consuming my money. So this is the data that I have used for this month. So guys, if you want to go and check your data that you have used for a month, just go there and you're going to see all your data that you have used. And if you want to check which data is consuming your data, your money from MTN, just go down and you're going to be seeing all this. You can see them. Just click on that and this is it. These are the thing that is consuming your data. So this is it. Go back. So this is the data that you have used for this month. It is 68.19 gig. So guys, if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share and comment. Thank you guys.